When I think about makeup, there are two things that come into my mind. One is choosing the right product, and second one is applying it in the right manner. Hi guys, my name is Amrit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about makeup brushes, जो कि beginners के लिए एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficult task हो जाता है to choose the right brushes. To make it quite simple, I'm gonna show you कि आप कौन से ऐसे brushes हैं जो कि आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो and कम से कम brushes इस्तेमाल करके आप कैसे एक makeup look create कर सकते हो. So I have these foundation brushes with me. So this one is basically a flat foundation brush, okay, which we basically use on the face in the downward direction. So I'll just show you how you need to use it. Okay, I'm taking the product on my back of my hand. Okay, a little bit product, and what you need to do with this flat brush. You need to take the product, okay, and you need to take the product in this manner, not in this manner. Otherwise, the bristles of this brush, they'll go here and there, and then it will not get applied properly on your skin. And make sure whenever you are applying the product, you are applying it in a downward direction, not like this, okay. Otherwise, whatever the facial hair will be there on your face, they are not gonna give you a smooth texture. So basically you need to use this brush in a downward direction, okay, on all over your face. This brush we basically use only for the application of the product and not for the blending of the product. This second brush, this is called as the stippling brush. So we are going to use this brush for the blending of the product. So you need to blend it properly all over your face, okay, wherever you have applied your foundation. So you need to blend it properly with this brush. So so this brush is basically used for the blending purpose of the product on your face, that is your base or your foundation. So the second set of brush would be concealer brush, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It is again a flat brush, okay, and it is used basically to apply the concealer. You can use this brush basically to conceal the pigmented area, that is under eyes, and maybe if you have any pigmentation on your face, due to pimple or acne. So just to hide that, you can use this brush for the application. And to blend it properly, we are going to use a blender which should have a tip like this. Make sure you are using a dampened beauty blender, otherwise it is going to soak in all the product which you have applied on your face. So let's move on to the next set of brushes. So the brush which I'm gonna show you, that is this brush. This is basically the brush used for contouring. This is the angular brush, and it is a fluffy brush which we basically use to contour our cheeks, to get that chiseled cheeks. This brush is basically used for contouring the cheeks, and that is the only purpose, but you can even use this brush to apply a blush on your cheeks. I do the same. I use it for both. And make sure if you're using a single brush for multiple things, you are keeping a tissue with you, and you can dust off all the excess from the brush so that it doesn't get blends in all over your face. Moving on to the next brush which I'm gonna show you, that is this brush. This brush actually comes in the pack of 10, and you can use even this brush to apply the contour and even the blush. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this. This brush is basically a flat brush, and however it is a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna show you how you can use this brush. So whenever you want to apply a contour, okay, you need to hold your brush like this, and then take the product on this, and then just apply it in upward and downward direction, okay. And now you need to dust off whatever product is there on this brush. And then now if you want to apply a blush, you can use this brush to apply even your contour and your blush. So whenever you want to apply the blush, make sure you are using this tip, okay, and then you need to apply the blush like this, and then you can rotate it so that there are no harsh lines that can be seen separately for the blush and the contour. So the purpose of this brush is been solved. So now moving on to the next brush. So the next brush which we are going to use is, this is the powder brush, okay, and this brush is basically used if you want to place the powder precisely on a specific area. For example, if you have concealed your under eyes and you want the product to be placed only your under eyes, okay, then you can easily place it under your eye, as this will not hold much product, so it will go precisely wherever the product need to be placed. If you want to apply powder on all over your face, then you can use this brush. This brush is a sort of oval, and it is quite fluffy brush, and this is quite handy, and you can apply the compact or the powder quite easily on all over your face using this brush. So moving on to the next brush, now I'm gonna show you the brushes which we are going to use for our eye makeup. So the next set of brushes which I'm gonna show you, they are eye brushes, and I'm gonna start with the first one. This brush is basically used for eyebrows and applying the eyeliner. This is an angular brush and it is quite stiff brush because for applying eyeliner and eyeshadow, to give them a precise and defined shape, we need brushes which are quite stiff. Yeah, so this brush basically used to apply the gel eyeliner and to define your eyebrows. So moving on to the next brush. Next brush is this fluffy brush, and it is quite fluffy and it is not that stiff. This is basically and it is a little angular brush. As you guys can see, it is a little angular, and this brush is basically used to blend in the eyeshadows which you have applied in a proper manner. For example, if you are using more than 2 shades on your eyes, that is the transition shades, so this brush is basically used to blend in both the shades, so that there are no separate lines being reflected on the eyes. So this is basically used for blending the eyeshadows in a right manner. So moving on to the next eye brush, that is this brush. This brush is quite oval from the top, and it is a bit stiff as compared to the blending brush. This brush is basically used for placing the product at the corner of your eye and even applying the eyeshadow at the lower lash line, because it is quite pointy but it is not that hard and harsh. So you can easily place the product with this brush on the lower lash line and on the mid corner of your eye. So this brush basically plays that role, and even you can use this brush to apply or place the product at the outer corner of your eye. So now moving on to the last brush, that is this brush. This is again a flat brush, and it is oval in shape, and this is basically used to place the product on the eyelid. Okay, the one which I am using, उसका link जो है मैं आपको description box में दे दूँगी, and there are few more which I can suggest you, so you guys can go and check out the description box. आपको ऑनलाइन ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रशेस के सेट मिल जाएंगे विच आर लार्ज इन क्वांटिटी, बट उनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन द क्वांटिटी, यू शुड फोकस ऑन द क्वालिटी. अगर आपको 10 सेट ऑफ ब्रश भी मिल रहा है बट अगर उनका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप वो लीजिए. आई होप दिस वीडियो इज़ इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइज. If you like my content, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye guys.